So most scientific studies have found what educators already know to be true, that the brain is not fully developed until age 25. For teenagers in particular, the underdevelopment in the prefrontal cortex affects impulsivity and risk-taking, vulnerability to peer pressure, and rational behavior. The American Psychological Association notes that adolescents underestimate risks and they overvalue short-term benefits. They're more susceptible to stress, they're more emotionally volatile, and less capable of controlling their emotions than adults. So in the context of schools and peers and social pressures, teenagers and children may actually need to work harder than adults realize to make good decisions. This is not implying at all that students who engage in violence are not responsible for their actions. There are millions of well-behaved, morally sound children that attend schools every day. But instead, this provides a potential explanation for youth violence. It helps to support the notion of the age crime curve, and in practice, it explains those moments in which we are dumbfounded by students' lack of responsibility or self-control. It may also explain the extraordinary absurdity of the recent Tide Pod challenge, or the reemergence of snorting condoms. That was a thing. More importantly, it may offer insight about why prevention and intervention models created by adults may not be effective for children despite our best efforts. Educators and adults often craft programs and strategies that seem as though they would logically work for them, but fail to consider that sometimes kids just think differently.